Hi, to check whether your OnePlus Nord 3 is original or not, we will need to open settings first and then find this about device tab and select it. After that, go in this status and here you will find IMEI 1 and IMEI 2. So we will need to copy one of these two numbers like that. And as a first step, we can compare these IMEIs with the one on the box in which your device came, and if it matches, then it's really good sign. Now after that, let's just find and open this IMEI.info webpage, and here enter your IMEI number. Tap the blue button to check it, and after a few seconds, you would see information about your device. So if everything matches here, then congratulations, your device is original. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.